Ukulima biashara inaitwa agribusiness. Kuna hapo goat, then baby goat. This one is a baby goat. Hi baby goat. Baby goat. This one is a baby goat. Then we have here, this one is a bull. We call it a bull. Kulima biashara. And this one is a calf. And here we have bananas. So right now I'm going to how do we call it? Let me show you bananas. But I'm going to get one. It is very ripe. Is it ripe? Yeah. So let me show you. These are bananas. Bananas. That one is not yet ready. But there is one here. This one is ready. Yeah, there we go. That one, that is a banana. So I want to is a banana. It has ripened. So I want to get it. So let me get the banana. Oh yeah, here it is. Banana. There it is. It's ready for either the market. Yeah, there it is. I think the bird used to stay here, you see. And yeah, also we have mangoes. This is a mango tree. That's a mango tree. As you can see, they are not yet ready. That's a mango tree. Let me show you. But that one is not ready. How can I want to show you there is one that the birds have fed on. There. If you can see that one. There. So that's a mango tree. Yeah. This is the banana, but it's not yet. I don't know how we call this. In our language, wanaita mbova. So I don't know how you call it in your language. Yes. So here, this is our banana. And this one is not yet ready. Then there, you know, we are in the slopes of Mount Elgon. Here it is in the slopes of Mount Elgon. Let me show you. Mount Elgon is right there. That is Mount Elgon. But here where we are, it is the slopes of Mount Elgon. So that is Mount Elgon. That is Mount Elgon. That is Mount Elgon. That is Mount Elgon. So in Mount Elgon we have